Thyroid is the most important, yet the most neglected gland in our body. The butterfly-shaped gland secretes hormones that manage essential functions in our body, like metabolizing food, regulating our sleep patterns, weight management, mood swings, depression, and anxiety. Healthcare practitioners solely rely on blood tests and subsequently prescription home therapy to treat thyroid-related problems. The attention to food and nutrients to encourage proper functioning of the gland is often ignored. The nutrients that the thyroid gland needs are easily available in many food items. The standard treatment for hyperthyroidism is taking daily thyroid hormone replacement medication. Of course, medications often come with side effects, and forgetting to take a pill might lead to more symptoms. In some cases, natural remedies may cause fewer side effects and fit into your overall lifestyle better. Today's video is about all those easy methods that you can adopt in order to treat your thyroid naturally. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. The goal of natural remedies or alternative medicine is to fix the root cause of the thyroid problem. Thyroid problems sometimes start as the result of a poor diet, stress, or missing nutrients in your body. Changing your diet and taking an herbal supplement are two ways you can help your thyroid condition. These options may have fewer side effects than taking thyroid medication. Also, taking an herbal supplement to help address a low or underactive thyroid may be helpful for people who aren't responding well to medications. Consider the following natural remedies as additions or alternatives to your treatment plan. Sugar-free diet. Sugar and processed foods can lead to an increased inflammation in the body. Inflammation can slow down the conversion of T4 to triiodothyronine, or T3, another thyroid hormone. This can make your symptoms and thyroid disease worsen. Also, sugar only boosts your energy level in the short term. Eliminating it from your diet may help regulate your energy levels. Additionally, removing sugar from your diet may help your stress levels and skin. It's not easy to adopt a sugar-free diet, but the benefit to your thyroid health may be worth it. Avoid iodine deficiency. It's well known that iodine status is a key determinant of thyroid disorders. Iodine deficiency can cause hyperthyroidism and goiters because the mineral helps to convert and release thyroid hormones. Thyroid disorders that are caused by low iodine levels can cause heart complications, sluggish metabolism, weight fluctuations, and mood changes. There are a few ways to avoid iodine deficiency, with the most important step being iodine-rich foods like seaweed, wild-caught cod, organic yogurt, raw milk, and eggs. Iodine supplements are also available and when taken in low doses can help normalize the production of thyroid hormones. But only use iodine supplements under the care of your doctor and make sure you are being monitored for side effects. High doses of iodine can actually aggravate thyroid disorder symptoms. Avoidance of inflammatory foods. One possible cause of thyroid nodules and other problems related to the thyroid gland is inflammation. Inflammation can actually slow down the conversion and production of your thyroid hormones. For this reason, it's important to avoid inflammatory goods that will only make the issues worsen. That means staying away from processed foods, foods with added sugars, and other possible trigger foods like those containing gluten. In fact, research shows that the prevalence of thyroid disease is higher in patients with celiac disease. So for these people, avoiding gluten is mandatory. Intake of probiotics. New research has linked hyperthyroidism to disorders of the small intestine, like SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Researchers found that overgrowth of certain bacteria can increase the risk of thyroid dysfunction. In fact, it was reported that SIBO may be present in more than half of the patients with hyperthyroidism. Taking probiotic supplements and adding probiotic food to your diet can help balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut, potentially improving your thyroid function. Reduce toxic exposures. Exposure to chemical toxins can cause inflammatory reactions that hinder proper thyroid function. Certain medications, hormonal birth control pills, and commercial beauty or cleaning products should be avoided when possible. It's also worth mentioning that heavy metals like mercury and amalgam filings can disrupt hormone balance, which is why it may be helpful to see a holistic dentist and remove silver filings. Take vitamin B. Taking certain vitamin supplements can have an effect on your thyroid health. Low thyroid hormones can affect your body's vitamin B12 levels. Taking a vitamin B12 supplement may help you repair some of the damage hypothyroidism caused. Vitamin B12 can help with the tiredness thyroid disease can cause. The disease also affects your vitamin B1 levels. You can add more B vitamins to your diet with foods such as peas, beans, asparagus, sesame seeds, tuna, cheese, milk, and eggs. Vitamin B12 is generally safe for most healthy individuals at recommended levels. Talk with your doctor about how much vitamin B12 may be right for you. Avoid goitrogens. Goitrogens are chemical substances that interfere with the body's iodine absorption. Hence, avoid foods like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, peanuts, radishes, soybeans, spinach, and kale, especially in their raw form. However, you can't eat them after being cooked, as then their goitrogenic compounds are inactive. Fats intake. You may be surprised to know that fats are of a great nutritional importance to help produce and regulate hormones. If you are getting insufficient fat and cholesterol, you could be exacerbating hormonal imbalance. Natural healthy fats include ghee, nuts, full-fat cheese, butter, coconut oil, milk, flax seeds, chia seeds, and oily fish like salmon. So make them a part of your diet. Get acupuncture. Acupuncture is another way to potentially help balance your thyroid hormones. Recent research published in the Journal of Integrative Medicine found that people with thyroid dysfunction saw significant improvements in their thyroid hormone markers after doing acupuncture regularly. And as a bonus, acupuncture is a wonderful way to relax. It can relieve muscle tension and anxiety, both of which are common in hypothyroidism. Manage stress. Stress, especially chronic stress, is often a trigger for thyroid dysfunction. Stress can also cause flare-ups in symptoms if you already have hypothyroidism. It's so important to manage your stress. Do some kind of self-care every day. Meditation, aromatherapy, massage, an Epsom salt bath with essential oils, a walk in nature, reading a good book, or anything else that brings you joy and keeps you grounded. Make time to relax, even if you have to write it in your schedule, and treat it like a meeting. And if you're having trouble making time every day, start with once or twice a week and gradually work your way up. Healing an underactive thyroid will take time. While there is no quick and easy fix, with some time and effort, you can gently improve your condition. Don't allow yourself to get stressed out with huge lifestyle changes all at once. Remember, any change is beneficial, and with a little tender loving care, you will start to see an improvement over time. We hope that this video helps you out in taking care of your thyroid glands. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier, easier, and beautiful life.